When you switch on your iPad, the home screen is where everything begins. It's the place you return to every day, a familiar space where your apps, shortcuts, and favorite tools live. Think of it as your personal starting point, the part of your iPad that reflects who you are and how you like to work. It's a set of pages that hold your apps, widgets, and the dock at the bottom. You can swipe left or right to move through these pages, and each one can be rearranged however you like. Some people prefer a clean layout with only a few essentials. Others enjoy a busier setup with folders, widgets, and everything neatly arranged. Now that you know what it is, let's look at how you can make it yours by customizing the look of your home screen. Your wallpaper sets the whole mood, and changing it is simple. Head into Settings, and choose an image from your photos library. Make one from emojis. Choose a color for a less busy look. And you also have a number of featured options also that you can quickly choose from. You can set the wallpaper as soon as you're happy with it. Once you've added it, your iPad saves it automatically and places it in your growing wallpaper collection. You can swipe through all your past choices anytime and select the one you want for your home screen. I've used a few different styles over the years, and they're all right here, ready to pick from whenever I feel like changing things up. A thoughtful wallpaper choice can make the entire iPad feel more personal and welcoming. All these options are easy to reach from the home screen's editing mode, where you can quickly change your wallpaper, switch between large or small icons, and even choose how your icons appear. They can be tinted if you want all of them to share the same color, for a minimalist feel, or pick the clear option if you're going for that liquid glass style, even though it never quite looks as transparent as it was promised in iPadOS 26. I usually stick with the default appearance because it keeps every app easy to recognize at a glance.